guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I gave this room a mini makeover on a budget. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I don't know about you guys, but when this stay-at-home thing kind of first started and and then kept going and going and going and going. No, just kidding. But when this thing first started, I kind of had this idea to well, I'm gonna be in my space for a bit. Might as well give it a little bit of a makeover, a little facelift. I wanted to try to keep it as functional as possible, but also keep it looking real cute and have a lot of pieces that sort of incorporate the functionality with super cute things as well. And for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys some of the pieces that I have back here, show you guys where I picked some of them up, how I got them kind of on a budget. I love thrifting and getting stuff on clearance, or getting stuff at Home Goods or Marshalls or TJ Maxx or wherever. I think it's so awesome. And also I'm a big sucker for dollar stores. I don't know, I'm weird probably, but I just love a good dollar store find. If you want to upgrade your room but you're on a budget, I got you. But really quick, before I show you guys all the fun stuff that I have back here, I thought it would be cool to show you guys some of the methods that I'm using to hold stuff up. I did try to keep everything as low maintenance, renter friendly, temporary living friendly, HOA restrictions friendly. But I will say that I do have some stuff that was a little heavier, where I did have to actually make a hole in my wall. And when I did, I actually used these really small nails, but I tried to use the smallest nails that I possibly can. You could also use thumbtacks. I got this little pack of thumbtacks from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree actually. I also really love these little things. So you actually stick your nails or screws or whatever you're using, you stick it into the little holes, and then you can stick this on the wall. It's a little hook, and then you could put this little cap on top. These I got from a local dollar store. It was a big old pack of I don't know, probably 20 or something like that. Big old pack, so many different sizes. These are really cool. They're actually really sturdy. The next thing that I'm absolutely obsessed with is command hooks. I love these. These are the Scotch command hooks. They're awesome. I love them. Very renter friendly. They do not damage your walls. They are amazing. So they come with the little strips. So these are the little strips. You take a little strip, and it's a little adhesive strip. So you take one of those little strips, and then you take your little hook, you take the little strip, put it on the hook, hang it on the wall, and then you can hang whatever you want on it. So the cool thing about these is that they're very easy to use. You can take them off whenever you want. They're just peel it off and you're done. And those actually go by weight. So if you're gonna hang up something that's a little bit heavier, you can get bigger ones. They have those pretty much everywhere, like Target and Walmart, Home Depot and Lowe's, and just everywhere. They also have them on Amazon, so I'll link some down below for you guys if you guys want to check them out. So when I didn't use those command hooks, I also got some other adhesive hooks that I have hanging up the ukulele over there. So they pretty much have the same style as this thing, but instead of it having nails in the back, it's actually just an adhesive strip. The thing that I highly recommend is adhesive tape. I personally didn't use any adhesive tape because the stuff that I'm putting up is a little too heavy for it. But you can totally use adhesive tape if you're just gonna hang up pictures, little printout pictures, or if you have posters you're gonna hang up. Adhesive tape will be your best friend ever. I really love adhesive stuff. Super recommend 100%. If it was up to me, I would have this entire wall adhesive stuff. So that is it for hanging stuff up, and now we can get into the fun part. So starting off, I have this little pegboard from Target. They no longer sell this exact same one anymore, but I'll link the similar one down below for you guys if you're interested. This is one of those pieces that is super functional and is holding my life together, but also looks really cute. The next thing I have here is this cool metal A. It's really heavy. I got it from Home Goods. The next thing I have here is one of those little hooks, and it's just holding a bag right now. The next thing I have here is this little wooden crate that I actually got from the thrift store for like $2. It was really cheap. And right now I just have some art supplies in it. I have a smudge of blue paint there and a smudge of yellow paint there. I'm experimenting with something. Up there I have the two little adhesive strips that I was telling you guys about holding up my ukulele. Over here I have this little sticker that says Jesus is worth everything you are afraid of losing. I love that sticker so much. I could not relate any further to that sticker right now, and it's just a reminder to have faith even through all of these weird times. So this little sticker is from Elevated Faith from the Sticker Club, the monthly Sticker Club pack. It's $6 for like the Sticker Club thing, and every month you get like a different assortment of stickers. So this was the one from, I believe, like Jude or something like that. Super cute. I love that little sticker. A perfect little reminder in life, and just like, I just love it so much. Thank you so much to Elevated Faith for these amazing stickers. This is not a sponsorship or an ad. I just really love them. And then this little like gold heart sticker that is actually from a scrapbook kit. The next thing that I have here is this little old-fashioned like radio. This is from Amazon. It is $19.99. Up here are all canvases. Some of them are bought and some of them are DIYs. That one right there is a DIY that I made. I just painted it. This one right here is from Claire's for $9.99. That California one and that California one are from Target, but they were on clearance, so unfortunately they don't sell the same ones anymore. But I'll try to link some similar ones that I find. This one, the little palm tree one, and this little California Adventure one. These are actually DIYs, and I have a video on my Instagram, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. They are Mod Podge photo transfers, so they were actually pictures that I turned into paintings, which is really cool. The next thing I have here is this little Lightbox. Doesn't have any batteries right now though. I should put batteries. Same with these little fairy lights. They don't have batteries either. I suck. I need to put batteries in them. But anyways, this little light box is from Target. It is $14.99. The next thing I have here is this little wooden sign that just says thankful, grateful, blessed. This is actually a picture frame from the Dollar Tree that I took off the back, and then I just wrote on the glass with dry erase marker. This little sticker my parents actually got me while they were on a trip. And I have this little string of fairy lights, which, like I said, I don't have batteries for because I suck. But anyways, this little string of fairy lights, when it's on, it looks really cool. This is the Philips fairy lights. I think I got it from like Target for $6.99 or something like that. They have it on Amazon for $9.99. But you could totally also find like cheaper fairy lights. They all are pretty much the same thing. The next thing that I have here are these three little signs. Two of them are from my local dollar store, and then this one is from the Dollar Tree during like Valentine's Day. So these two you could probably find at your local dollar store. I've seen them at like a lot of different dollar stores in like the craft section. This one might not look exactly the same as this because this one was from like seasonal section at the Dollar Tree, but you could probably find something similar, or maybe even find the same one. I don't know, that'd be pretty cool. I have this little macrame wall thing that I filmed for a video that should be coming soon, hopefully. And then the last thing I have here is this little like organizer grid. You can use it for like pictures, or you can use it in like your office or something. This one I actually picked up from the thrift store for like $2 also, but I've seen it at Hobby Lobby, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And that is it. Yay! I actually did the math for everything, like added up all the costs for all this stuff, and I actually put it all down below for you guys to check it out as well. So for everything minus the ukulele, for everything total wise, even like canvases, like if you're gonna DIY your own, I even kind of included cost for canvases, it comes out to about $150 brand new. That is considering that everything is brand new. $150, which is really awesome for all of that stuff, like 15 items or something like that, and brand new. That's really good. But I honestly recommend thrifting and like swap meets and yard sales and like hand-me-downs from like family and stuff. I think it's really awesome, and you can get a lot of really cool stuff for like a fraction of retail price. And also it's like so much more sustainable because, you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure. I love thrifting. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you found it helpful. Maybe you're giving your room a little makeover. Maybe you're reorganizing. I love this. I love the way it came out. I love like the functionality and like the kind of like keep stuff more organized. That way it's not like so hectic. But it also is like a fun like statement. So when you walk in the room, it's like, ooh, that looks so cool. Like so much like bright colors. I linked literally all of the products down below and the video for the Mod Podge canvases. I linked those down below as well for you guys to check them out. If you guys want to recreate something, if you guys want to, you know, do something similar to this, and also feel free to tag me in it, because I want to see, tag me on Instagram. I want to see what you guys are doing. I want to see what cool stuff you guys make, or what cool accent statement walls you guys create. I don't know, I just love that kind of stuff so much. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means a lot. Feel free to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos come out. And of course, so you can join our little family here. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day today and every single day to come, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye guys.